कम से कम 25 लोगों से मिलना है 45 सेकंड के अंदर। इस कमरे में आप किसी से भी मिल सकते हैं। यू गॉट 45 seconds and meet them as if you're meeting your best friend after 10 long years. Could you all get up for a minute? Yeah, get up for a minute. Okay, look at me now. Come on, get ready, get up. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, well done. Thank you. Please take your seat. Thank you. Come on, please take your seat. Thank you. ताली बजाने से 52 प्रकार की बीमारियां भी दूर हो जाती हैं. Can we acknowledge everyone, please? Come on. Hey, come on. Great job done. How was the activity? Was it exciting, energizing? Yes, no? Yes. Thank you. ध्यान दीजिएगा. मैंने आपसे रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि मेरी इंस्ट्रक्शंस ध्यान से सुनिए. I said, you can go anywhere and meet anybody. Look at my hand. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. मुझसे मिलने कोई नहीं आया. हाँ? क्या सोचा बहुत शाबाशी मिलेगा. You know why did you not come to meet me? 2 reasons. First, probably you did not listen effectively. But more important, why did you not come to me? The most important was because I did not come to meet you. जैसे ही मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया मैं पानी पीने चला गया. अगर मैं आपसे मिलने आता तो मुझे उम्मीद है कम से कम 50 लोग मुझसे जरूर मिलते. Say yes, no? Thank you. But because I did not come, nobody bothered to come to me. I'll tell you what's the learning. Listen to me. बहुत ध्यान दीजिएगा. I'll tell you what's the learning. Listen to me. बहुत ध्यान दीजिएगा. आप में से कुछ लोग थे जो बैठे थे अपनी कुर्सी पे, नहीं उठे. हो गया टाइम, बैठ जा. There were some people who did not get up, who did not bother to go out and meet. जानते हैं क्या हुआ? उनसे मिलने भी कोई नहीं गया. Hey, come on, what's the learning? Hey, come on, what's the learning? I'll tell you a great story around it. Australia का frozen house, a real life story. 5:30. The plant gets closed and everybody leaves. The GM goes inside the frozen house minus 40-degree temperature just to check if everything is all right. But with the door closer, he got locked up inside. The door gets opened only from outside, not from inside. Now he was knocking, hello, kholo. Come on, open, help. But nobody came to help. Why? Because nobody was there in the plant. 6:15, 6:30, 6:45, 7, 15, 30. Nobody came. And he was finished. He collapsed. वहीं गिर गया और अचानक 7:45 बजे एक आदमी भागते हुए आया और उनको उठाया और खींच के उठा करके उनकी पीठ को मला और वो and he got up. He revived. He said, who are you? You helped me survive. Come on, who are you? He said, sir, I am the security guard of this plant. Every morning you tell me good morning, every night you tell me good night. आज आपकी गुड मॉर्निंग तो सुनी थी, पर गुड नाइट सुनने का इंतजार करते ढूंढते आपको यहां तक पहुंच गया. If you take initiative, the world will take initiative. जिस दिन आप इनिशिएटिव लेना बंद कर दें, दुनिया आपको उसी दिन भूल जाएगी साहब. अगर आप पहल करेंगे तो दुनिया पहल करेगी, और जिस दिन आप पहल करना बंद कर दे उसी दिन दुनिया आपको भूल जाएगी. Can we acknowledge everybody, please? Thank you very much.